Keystone's all-new Walkabout isn't your typical RV, and you can tell the moment you lay eyes on it. Imagine blending the familiar feel of an American travel trailer with the rugged spirit of an Australian off-road caravan. On the outside, it looks tough and ready to take on adventure, but step inside and you're wrapped in warmth, comfort, and thoughtful design. It feels like one of those setups where every little detail has been considered, so you can simply enjoy your trip, unwind with the family, and soak in the journey. It's definitely still a big rig, built in true American travel trailer style. We're talking close to 31 feet long, more than 7,000 pounds empty, and rolling on dual axles with CURT touring suspension. So yes, you'll notice its presence, but this isn't just another big white box covered in swoosh decals. Instead, its black exterior with orange and topo accents, sleek flush windows, and clean, purpose-built features help it stand out in a sea of sameness. Now, let's be honest, while it looks ready to conquer the wilderness, it's not going to follow you deep into narrow, rocky trails. Keystone's debut setup on a huge paved lot hints at that, but give it a wide, adventurous forest road or a national park back route, and it'll happily take on washboards, potholes, and rougher patches without flinching. The wood-free composite walls, aluminum framing, and all-terrain tires make sure it's tough enough to protect your gear and keep you rolling comfortably when the terrain gets a little wild. Speaking of gear, one of the coolest things about the Walkabout is how well it supports outdoor living. Up front, there's a massive pass-through storage compartment with room for fishing rods, tools, and even a shower hose to rinse off muddy equipment before stashing it again. Walk along the right side, and you'll see two doors. The main one welcoming you into the living space, and another toward the rear that leads straight into the bathroom. That second entry is a family lifesaver on those messy days when the kids are covered in dirt and grass and just need a quick bathroom break without trekking through the whole trailer. Between those doors sits a clever outdoor cooking setup. Fold the panel down, and suddenly, you've got space to prep food, hook up a portable stove to the propane quick connect line, and even wash up thanks to a collapsible sink and sprayer hose. There's a MOLLE panel for organizing utensils and gear, and right next to it, a heated slide-out tray for drying wet boots and gloves. It practically begs you to stay outside and savor campsite life a little longer. Settle into camp, hit the automatic leveling system, and step inside. And that rugged exterior gives way to a warm, open living space. One side holds a surprisingly spacious kitchen, while the other expands into a bright lounge thanks to a big slide-out. That lounge is a showstopper. Full-width sofa, tons of windows, and even skylights overhead. Park just right, and you can watch sunrise coffee or golden sunset moments from your own cozy nook. If the sun gets too intense, blackout shades, and an 18,000 BTU AC keep things cool and comfortable. The sofa seats the whole family and has storage underneath, plus two ottomans that cleverly transform into dining tables. The kitchen is fully equipped with a recessed 2-burner stove, large sink with pull-out faucet, convection microwave/air fryer, French door fridge, and durable composite countertops. A 32-inch TV sits within view for laid-back indoor movie nights. Toward the front, the master suite feels like a retreat, complete with sliding doors, an island queen bed, dual closets, and its own dedicated air conditioning unit. The kids get their own cozy space in the rear bunk room, complete with stairs to the top bunk. Right nearby, the bathroom offers plenty of room to move around with a rainfall shower, sink, and toilet. Because nobody wants a cramped bathroom after a day of hiking or biking. Power comes courtesy of a Victron electrical system, starting with a 220-watt solar setup that you can upgrade to 440 watts if you want more off-grid capability. There's also an on-demand water heater, because hot showers shouldn't be a luxury reserved for home. Keystone hasn't officially started production yet, but the Walkabout 26 Max is estimated to start at around $80,123. A smaller 22 Max version is on the way too, with a starting price of approximately $76,185. If you're looking for something that feels like a rugged adventure partner on the outside, but a cozy home on the inside, the Walkabout is shaping up to be a pretty compelling way to hit the road and make memories. Big ones.